Hello and welcome to my Unbounce review. In this video, I'm going to talk about everything about Unbounce. Okay, we are going to talk about features, how to build landing page with Unbounce, and what are its pros and cons. So watch this video till the end if you want an honest opinion. And by the way, if you want to follow along, then I will give the free trial link in the video description so you can test this platform yourself. Link is in the video description. Okay. So without any further delay, let's get started. So when you will log into your Unbounce account, then you will see a dashboard like this, which you are seeing in the screen right now. So first I'm going to give you a quick overview what is inside Unbounce dashboard. So first is pages, as you can see here. So if you want to create landing pages, then in this case you can click on this pages tab. Next is pop-ups and sticky bar. Suppose you have created your landing page, and if you want to add pop-up in your landing page, or if you want to add a sticky bar on top or bottom in your landing page, then in that case you can design sticky bar and pop-up using this option. Next is integration. So suppose you have created your landing page and now you have added a form. Suppose you have added a form and you want to integrate that form with ConvertKit or any other email marketing platform, then in that case you can use the integration feature. From here you can integrate the tool or service you want to use with Unbounce. Okay, next is domain. So suppose if you want that the landing page you will design have a unique URL like yourdomain.com/landing page like this, for example blogginglib.com/traffic secret ebook like this, something like this. So if you want a custom domain in your Unbounce landing pages, then in that case you need to connect to your domain with Unbounce. It is very easy to connect. So just click on this connect a domain and you can follow the instruction. It is very easy to connect your domain with Unbounce. So if you want custom domain in your landing page URL, then in that case you can use the domain. Next is some common settings. If you want script manager, if you want embed any code, any type of code, then and if you want email notification like this. So setting is not as important as other features. So we are going to talk about first landing page. So now we are going to check how you can create landing page with Unbounce. Okay, so all you need to do is just click on these pages, and after that click on start building now button. When you will click on it, then it will give you a lots of landing page template, as you can see. So you can select any of the template according to your requirement. So for example, I'm going to select this template. It is looking good. So for example, I want this template. So what I can do, I can select this template from here by clicking on it, and I can click give it a name. Okay, as you can see, I can give it a name. For example, Sumit Saw landing page. Okay, you can give any name to your landing page according to your requirement. Next, after that, click on this start with this template button. When you will click on it, then it will load this template for you. Okay, as you can see, it has loaded this template. So you can click on this button to see the landing page. It will look something like this. It is looking very good. As you can see, it has everything we need in a landing page, in a good landing page. So let me again open this. So now I'm going to show you how you can edit this template. So it is very easy to edit template in Unbounce. Suppose if you want to change this heading to something else, just double click on it and you can change it to anything else. Like this is a landing page. You can write anything, your title here like this. Okay, and you can also change the text size. Let me show you. So you can change the text font template. If you want to change the font, you can change it from here. You can change the size. For example, I want 72 size, then I can change it. If I want to change the color, I can simply select any color I want. For example, let me select this color, click on choose to apply this color. As you can see, it has applied this color. So in this way you can customize everything very easily. So if you want to add a background, then you can do it also using this. As you can see, let me show you. So as you can see, I have changed the background. So everything is very easy to do in Unbounce. Okay, like this. And suppose if you want another text here, so what you can do, you can simply select this text option from here and you can drag and drop anywhere you want, and you can customize the size and everything like this. Just double click on it. This is another heading. So as you can see, it is overlapping. The line spacing is very low, so that's why it is overlapped with each other. So what I can do, I can increase the line height from here. Okay, so for example, as you can see, so now it is looking good. So you can increase or decrease the line spacing from here. And yeah, if you want to delete anything, then what you can do, just click on it. So it has selected this subheading. So what I can do, I can click on this delete button to delete it, and if I want to duplicate it, then I can simply click on it to duplicate it. But I want to delete it, so I am going to click on delete button. So it is as simple as as it is. And next thing is adding the images. Suppose this image is not looking good and I want to replace it with something else. So what I can do, I can simply click on this, and as you can see it is showing the option to change the image. I can click on it and I can replace it with my picture, suppose. So I replaced it with my pic and select scale image to fit. Okay, as you can see, so it replaced it with my picture. And let me resize this. So if you want to resize this, then you can simply select this. As you can see, you can select this option and you can resize it, and you can change it to size according to your requirement. So I want to make it little bit more smaller. So as you can see, it is still not perfect. So let me resize it again, and I can place it anywhere. As you can see, I can place it anywhere I want. So it is looking good. Now it is looking good. As you can see, it is a form, and it's in the left side of the form. It is showing my face. Suppose if you want to change this button text, then click on it, and as you can see, you can change the button text from here. As you can see, let me replace it, get instant access now. So as you can see, it is very easy to customize the form and everything in Unbounce. And suppose if you want to add another image, so what you can do, you can pick this image icon from here, you can place it over here. And suppose I want to add a logo here, so I can simply add my logo here. As you can see, so it is very easy to customize everything in Unbounce. And so it is showing the desktop version of our landing page. So if I want to check how my landing page is looking in mobile device, so what I can do, I can click on this mobile tab. As you can see in the bottom, I can click on this and I can click on continue. And as you can see, in mobile device it will look something like this. If in the mobile device it is not looking good, so you can click on it and you can customize the size and everything according to your requirement. You can drag and drop anything. As you can see, according to your requirement, you can adjust anything. So in this way you can customize the look and feel in the mobile device. Suppose if I don't want this image in the mobile device, then what I can do, I can simply click on it and I can select this option from here. As you can see, arrow button from here, and as you can see, it is already selected this image. So if I will select this heading, it will select this. If I will select this image, it is showing this. So if I don't want to show this image in the mobile device, then what I can do, I can click on this eye icon and it will disappear this image from mobile device. So it is as simple as it is. So in this way you can customize mobile version of your landing page and desktop version of your landing page very easily. If you don't want to show any element in mobile device, then you can simply hide it using this eye icon. Okay, so I'm again opening this desktop version. So as you can see, it is very easy to customize. I shared everything with you. So whenever you will select anything, then you will see the customization option in the right sidebar. It is as simple as it is. And if you want to add any kind of element like button, if you want to add button, then you can simply drag and drop it here. You can customize the things from the right sidebar. As you can see, if you want that whenever anyone click on this button, then I want to redirect them to, for example, google.com, so I can write it here. So whenever anyone click on it, now it will redirect them to google.com, as you can see. And similarly you can customize everything. So it is showing button here. So what I can do, I can write something like download now. So as you can see, it is very easy to customize everything in Unbounce. Okay, so in this way you can add any element you want. If you want to embed any kind of any video, then you can select this option. If you want to add light box button, then you can select this option. If you want to add image, then you can select this option. So there are lots of customization option available. If you want to add custom HTML, then you can select this custom HTML option and you can add it anywhere. And the one thing I very like about Unbounce, that its drag and drop builder is truly drag and drop. You can drag and drop it anywhere, like here or just side of this, left side, right side, or anywhere you want. So it is very easy to customize your landing page with Unbounce landing page builder. Okay, so suppose if you have designed your landing page, so after that what you can do, you can click on this save icon to save all your settings. Okay, and after that again go to your Unbounce dashboard. Okay, so as you can see, it is showing one page. I have created one page. As you can see, Sumit Saw landing page. If I want to publish this page, then what I can do, I can simply click on this option, and from here I can click on this publish button to publish this landing page. So right now I have not added my domain here, so it is that's why I'm using its ubpages.com domain, which is by default provided by Unbounce. Okay, so let's say I want to write Sumit Saw, so it will URL will be like this, sumitsaw.ubpages.com/Sumit Saw landing page. So if I want to change it to Sumit Saw landing page to something else like download ebook, so as you can see URL has changed now. So in this way you can change your URL, and after that you can click on save URL and publish. So it will publish your page on Unbounce. Okay, so as you can see now it is published. So Unbounce has published this page, and this is our landing page URL. So if you want to check it, then what you can do, just click on this button, so it will open your landing page in a new URL. So I have just added this, so you can see it is looking like this. So in this way you can design your landing page using Unbounce. Similarly, you can use drag and drop builder to design your pop-up sticky bars. Just click on this button, and after that you can design the pop-up and sticky bar in the similar way as we designed our landing page. So it is very easy. And next is integration. So if you want to integrate it with any other service, then you can select this option. So I hope you understood how you can design your landing page with Unbounce. Okay, so now let's talk about what are the pros and cons of using Unbounce landing page builder. So Unbounce is a very popular landing page builder. It has as you can see, it has a drag and drop builder that is truly drag and drop. You can drag and drop element anywhere you want. You can resize your images and everything. It is very easy to do. But the problem with Unbounce is that if you are a beginner, then it will take you some time to understand all the features of Unbounce. It has lots of options available inside the landing page builder. So it will take you some time to understand how to use it properly and effectively to build a landing page that looks attractive and can convert better. So it will take you some time to understand everything about Unbounce. Okay, so it has a lots of customization option inside the Unbounce landing page builder. So it will take you some time. So now let's talk about Unbounce pricing plan. So Unbounce comes with 4 pricing plan. Plan start from $74 per month to $649 per month. So if you are just starting out, then $74 per month plan is perfect for you. It has everything that you need to build your landing page and grow your business and getting more conversion, lead and sales. Okay, but I want to mention one more thing, that if you want some discount on this pricing plan, then I have given a special link, that is my affiliate link. I have given that link in the video description. If you will use that link, then you will see a Unbounce landing page like this. As you can see, when it is showing that you can try this Unbounce platform for absolutely free for next 14 days, and suppose after 14 days you decided to purchase any plan, then you will get 20% discount for first 3 months if you will pick any monthly plan, and you will get 35% discount for entire year if you will choose any yearly plan of Unbounce platform. Okay, so there are 2 benefits. You are getting 14 days free trial to decide if Unbounce is the right platform for you or not. And next thing is that suppose after 14 days you decided to purchase any plan, then you are going to get 20% discount for first 3 months if you will pay monthly, and you are going to get 35% discount for entire year if you are going to purchase any of the yearly plan of Unbounce. Okay, so this page link is in the video description. So if you have any confusion regarding Unbounce platform, like how to build landing page, what are the features and pros cons, if you have doubt regarding anything, then please let me know by comment below. I will reply as soon as possible. I hope you found this Unbounce review and tutorial video helpful. If you have any doubt, then please let me know by comment below. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.